Hi guys, today I am going to tell you how can you create a custom login page for your WordPress website. So let me show you how can we do that. You just need to go to your plugins, then click on add plugin. In here, you need to search for login press. So let me show you the plugin that we need to install and activate. So here is the plugin login press WP login custom login page customizer by Adnan. So let me activate this plugin. It's already installed. So now you just need to go to your dashboard. So here you can see, here is the login press. So let me show you the settings first of all. So here are the settings of the login press. So if you want to make the session expire, for example, 30, so it's 30, set the expiration time in minutes. So it's totally up to you. So if you want to make it 10, 20, it's totally up to you. So I will make it 10. Then auto remember me. So enable to keep the remember me option always checked on the login page. So if you want to log in again, so it's already saved there. So let me just enable it. So it's totally up to you how you want login order, only username, only email address. So it's totally up to you. So let me just save the changes here. So if you want to add captchas, so you can add it using watch this video and add it. So if you want to add the login page, so you can watch this video and add the login page as well. So just make sure to check every settings. So now let me show you how can we design our custom login page. So here you can see here is the customizer. So just click on customizer here and let me show you how can we design our login page. So now I will show you how can we make changes in our login page using the login press plugin. So here you can see if you want to change the logo here. For example, if you want to insert your site logo, so just go to your images and select your logo. So for example, this is my logo. I will insert it here. So here you can see. So if you want to make the logo width a little bit bigger and the height, so it's totally up to you. So that's how you can do it. And then if you want to change the settings, so let me click on customize fonts. So for example, if you want to add a background image, so for example, I want to add a background image. So this is my image. So here you can see I have added my background image. So if you want to change it, if you want to insert anything like this, so here you can see this is my background image. So it's looking quite good. So login page. So here if you want to change the button text color, so for example, let me just make it white, and the button size is totally up to you. So if you want to make it smaller, padding, so it's totally up to you. Let me make it again. So if you want to add a border color, so for example, if I make it a little bit black or green, so it's totally up to you. So I will just make it clear. So let me go back, and here, for example, let me just here, if you want to change the font text or font size, so for example, if you want to make it bigger, so it's totally up to you. So if you want to change the footer background color, so for example, if you want to make it black, so you can see here it is. So it's totally up to you. How do you want it? So let me just clear this color here and let me go back. So if you want to add a background image, so for example, here this one, here you can see it's looking quite good. Or if you want to add this image, so it's totally up to you. So I want to insert this image here. So if you want to add a video, so you can add a video as well. So it's totally up to you. How do you want it? So if you want to enable a background video, so here you can see you can add a YouTube video as well. Or if you have a video, so you can select video from here. So it's totally up to you. So that's how you can customize your login page. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, so you can ask in the comment section, and kindly do not forget to subscribe my channel. So if you want to buy an Elementor Pro, so I will share the link in the description section, so you can use my link to buy the Elementor Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video.